Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use email templates in Pipedrive. This will help you save time, keep your messages consistent, and make follow-ups much easier. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Sales Inbox. This is where your emails are managed inside Pipedrive. Next, at the top left, click on New Email. This will open the Email Composer. Now look for the Choose Template drop-down inside the email window. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available templates. Select any template you want to use. Once you click it, the subject and message will automatically fill in. Some templates include placeholders, like name or company, which Pipedrive fills in automatically. Take a moment to review the message. You can edit the text, adjust the tone, or add more details if needed. You can also add attachments or make final changes before sending. That's it! Now you can quickly send professional emails using templates in just a few clicks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.